In a small village, nestled between rolling hills and ancient forests, lived a renowned Zen master named Hoshi, known for his wisdom and tranquility. Hoshi's teachings drew seekers from distant lands. Among them was a young man named Kenji, eager to learn the secrets of a peaceful mind. Kenji arrived at Hoshi's temple one misty morning. The temple was a serene place, adorned with blooming cherry blossoms and the soothing sound of a nearby stream. Kenji bowed deeply and asked, "Master Hoshi, how can I fill my mind with wisdom and peace like yours?" Hoshi smiled and led Kenji to a small, cluttered room in the temple. "This room represents your mind," Hoshi explained. "Notice how it is filled with various objects, some useful and some not." Kenji glanced around and saw old books, broken tools, and even bits of dried leaves scattered on the floor. Hoshi handed him a broom and said, "First, clear the clutter." Kenji set to work, sweeping and organizing the room. As he labored, Hoshi spoke, "Our minds are often like this room, filled with unnecessary thoughts and worries. To fill it with wisdom, we must first clear the clutter." After hours of work, the room was spotless. Hoshi then took Kenji to the temple garden. They walked silently until they reached a small, empty pond. Hoshi gave Kenji a jug of water and instructed, "Fill the pond." Kenji began to pour the water into the pond, but the jug was small and the pond vast. He looked at Hoshi, puzzled. "Master, this jug is too small. It will take forever to fill the pond." Hoshi nodded. "True. But each drop counts. Our minds are like this pond. To fill them with wisdom and peace, we must be patient and consistent. Every bit of knowledge, every moment of mindfulness, adds up over time." Days turned into weeks as Kenji continued to study under Hoshi. He practiced meditation, learned about nature, and engaged in deep conversations. One day, Hoshi handed Kenji a teacup and began to pour tea. Even after the cup was full, Hoshi kept pouring and the tea overflowed onto the floor. "Master, stop! The cup is overflowing," Kenji exclaimed. Hoshi stopped and smiled. "Just as this cup cannot hold more tea when it is full, your mind cannot accept new wisdom if it is already full of preconceived notions and pride. To truly learn, you must empty your mind and remain open." Kenji pondered these lessons deeply. He realized that to fill his mind with the peace and wisdom he sought, he needed to continuously clear away the unnecessary clutter, patiently accumulate knowledge, and keep his mind open and humble. Years later, Kenji became a respected teacher, known for his serene demeanor and profound insights. Whenever students asked him the secret to his peaceful mind, he would recount the lessons from Master Hoshi, reminding them to clear the clutter, be patient, and always keep an open mind. And thus, the wisdom of Hoshi lived on, like a gentle stream, nourishing the minds of many.
Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring tales. Until next time, keep believing and stay radiant.